Hey, what's going on, guys? So today, before I reassemble the head, we're actually going to be lapping all the valves with this valve grinding compound. So the purpose of this is to essentially create a better seal between the valve and its seat. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to go about doing this. Alright, so what I've done here with this valve grinding compound, I poured some in here, and I use my finger to basically apply. Come on, focus. Focus! Yes. Just small blotches around the valve where it's going to sit with the seat on the cylinder head. And I've done the same on the cylinder head. So what we're going to do here is put the valve back in here, and we're going to, if it wants to go, it's going to sit like that. And then we're going to twist this guy. Oh, I don't think I can, but usually people use the suction cup and they twist it back and forth for 5 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll see if there are any results. So that's the tool. It's a suction cup with a stick. And what you're going to be doing is you, make sure you got a good seal. Rotate it until it smooths out. Lift it up, back down. So here it's smooth out, lift it up, go down. Rinse and repeat.